Hello everyone, this is Karen from Foshan Land Pack Machinery. We have more than 15 years experience on these packing industries, major in vertical packing machine, flow packing machine, and bottle filling machine line. Today I would like to introduce you our vertical packing machine, model LD620AS. This machine can pack for the granular products in bigger size, up to 5 kg. It is suitable for dog food, cat litter, rice, beans, and candy. This machine is combined with 3 parts: Receptacle conveyor, 2-head raiser, and the main packer. Now let's start it. The receptacle conveyor is with the small collection hopper in here. It is for the product preparing. You can put product into here as prepare, and it is with the vibrate function. It can vibrate the product slowly into the transport hopper, and then the transport hopper will transport your product into the 2-head raiser. When the 2-head raiser have enough product on there, the hopper will automatically stop to make all the machine more intelligent. And the feeding speed is in about 3 to 6 square meters per hour. Now let's go to the 2-head raiser. About the 2-head raiser, it is with 12 liter metering hopper to support 5 kg cat litter packing. The hopper volume is depending on products. Contact pass is in 304 stainless steel material. Working with vibration principle, one hopper is with one weighing function. The accuracy is about 1 to 2%. Here is the main packer. Now I would like to show you more detail. This is the sealing part. All the accessories is in 100% match with each other to make the sealing and bagging it is in beautiful performance. Generally, with the bigger package, it is in gaseous bag shape. So this one will have the gaseous bag function like this. This is the device. Here on the bottom of the bagging, have a support performer in here. It can support the product when it is finished bagging and feeding, so that the sealing part will be in very beautiful and stable performance. About the electrical part, to make sure the quality is under control, we use the famous brand over the world. Like this. This is the touchscreen. It is from Taiwan Review, a famous brand with its sensitive operating. And here, this is the other electrical part. The servo motor from Panasonic, Japan. The PLC, also from Panasonic, Japan. And we have all other brands, also from Omron and Schneider. All of this is to make sure the quality is in good and stable operation, has more long lifetime. Now, let's make the machine running. Above is our introduction of our machine. If you want further information and details, please click our links and contact us. Bye!